Intro. Welcome to Connect to World, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to focus on the word hampered. It's a term that relates to obstacles, restrictions, and containers. Let's get started. Meaning. Hamper is a verb that can have several meanings. 1. It can mean to hinder, obstruct, or impede progress or movement. 2. It can also refer to a container, often with a lid and handles, used for storing or carrying items, such as laundry or picnic supplies. Pronunciation. Pronounce hamper as ~hæm.pär, rhyming with pamper. Use in a sentence. 1. The heavy rain hampered our plans for the outdoor picnic. 2. She used a large wicker hamper to carry a delicious spread for the family outing. Synonyms. For the first sense of hindrance or obstruction, synonyms for hamper include hinder, obstruct, impede, or constrain. For the second sense of a container, synonyms include basket, container, or tote. Conclusion. Hamper is a versatile word that can describe both obstacles to progress and useful containers for various purposes. Thanks for joining us, and may your path be free of obstacles and your containers always filled with good things.